it's time for NHK World Japan's Easy Japanese. I'm Eriko Kojima.
And I'm Michael Reese. Let's have fun learning Japanese together. Today, lesson 47 on asking how to do something. Tam is in Kyoto with the other residents of Harusan House. They are visiting Fushimi Inari Taisha Shrine. It's well known for its thousands of vermilion colored gates that stand like a tunnel. Tam is about to draw an omikuji, a fortune-telling slip.
Listen to the skit for lesson 47.
Omikuji だよ。
どうやってするんですか？
箱を振ってみて。
3番です。
はい、どうぞ。
あ、大吉だ。
大吉？どういう意味ですか？
とてもいい運勢ですよ。
Let's go over the skit line by line.
Kaito says,
おみくじだよ。
This tells your fortune.
It's Tam's first time to draw an omikuji, so she doesn't know how it works.
どうやってするんですか？
How do you do it?
Kaito teaches her.
箱を振ってみて。
Try shaking the box.
When Tam shakes the box, a wooden stick with a number comes out.
3番です。
Number 3.
A shrine maiden hands her the fortune-telling slip with that number.
はい、どうぞ。
Here you go.
Kaito looks at Tam's fortune-telling slip and says,
あ、大吉だ。
Oh, it's Daikichi.
Tam asks,
大吉？どういう意味ですか？
Daikichi? What does that mean?
Harusan explains.
とてもいい運勢ですよ。
It means your fortune is very good.
Tam drew a daikichi. That's a great way to start. Today's key phrase is, how do you do it?
どうやってするんですか？
If you learn this pattern, you'll be able to ask how to do something.
Let's break down the phrase. どうやって is an interrogative word meaning how. するんですか is an interrogative sentence of the verb する to do with んですか attached. This makes どうやってするんですか? Today's point is どうやってんですか? We learned that んです is used to explain your situation, as in the case of my throat hurts. 喉が痛いんです. The question form of んですか is used when you don't understand something and want someone to explain it to you. So it's perfect for asking how to do something with the interrogative word どうやって. For the verb that comes before んですか, use the dictionary form.
So when you want to know how to do something for the first time, the way to ask is, どうやってするんですか?
That's right. Now listen and repeat.
どうやってするんですか？どうやってするんですか？
Okay, got it? Listen to a conversation asking how to do something. A customer is talking with a clerk at a Japanese restaurant.
すみません。これどうやって食べるんですか？
そちらのタレにつけてお召し上がりください。
Now let's examine the meaning.
すみません。これどうやって食べるんですか？
Excuse me, how do I eat this?
The customer is asking the question while pointing to the item right in front of her, so she uses これ, this. And it's about eating, so the verb is 食べる, to eat.
そちらのタレにつけてお召し上がりください。
Please dip it in that sauce and eat it.
そちらのタレ is that sauce. つけて is the te form of the verb つける to dip. お召し上がりください is a polite way of saying please eat.
Now listen and repeat. Try raising the intonation at the end of the sentence.
どうやって食べるんですか？これ、どうやって食べるんですか？すみません。これ、どうやって食べるんですか？
Okay, sounding good.
Now let's practice with another example. Imagine you've come to a hot spring and found a massage chair. It says free to use, but you don't know how. To use is
使う。使う。
try asking a person nearby using this.
これ。これ。
すみません。これ、どうやって使うんですか？すみません。これ、どうやって使うんですか？
Today's bonus phrase is what Tam said when asking what Daikichi on the fortune-telling slip means.
どういう意味ですか？
Use this when you want to ask what something means. 意味 means meaning, and the whole sentence means what does that mean? In the skit, Haru-san explained to Tam that it means that her fortune is very good.
Listen to how various people say this phrase.
どういう意味ですか？
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 Okay, it's your turn. Listen and repeat.
どういう意味ですか？
All right then, listen to the skit one more time.
おみくじだよ。
どうやってするんですか？
箱を振ってみて。
3番です。
はい、どうぞ。
あ、大吉だ。
大吉？どういう意味ですか？
とてもいい運勢ですよ。はるさんの知恵袋。
It's time for Haru-san's bag full of advice, and today we'll talk about omikuji.
You can find omikuji at shrines and temples in Japan. They usually have your fortune written on a long, narrow strip of paper. Daikichi is great luck. Kichi is good luck. And kyo is bad luck. They also give advice about daily life, including health, work, and romance.
In today's skit, Tam received the omikuji corresponding to the number on a wooden stick that came out of the box she shook. But some places have omikuji you draw directly, and still others dispense the omikuji in vending machines.
There are so many kinds, but I'd hate to draw one with bad luck.
Right, but some people believe you can change bad luck into good luck by tying the omikuji to the branch of a tree or a designated place in the grounds of the shrine.
So even if you draw an unlucky one, you don't have to worry. Well, we hope you enjoyed today's Easy Japanese.
And the next lesson will be our last one, and Tam will be talking about her dreams. So don't miss it.